tirer. Non, je l'ai pas démonté, je l'ai monté. Mais le pignon, je pense qu'on peut le démonter pas trop difficilement. Mathura. Okay. He's down. Okay, guys, we have arrived in.
एक मिनट भैया गाड़ी उधर पार्क कर हाँ एक मिनट just hold on sir.
Okay guys, we have arrived here in Mathura and we're gonna visit an artisan who's doing special art. You're gonna see what he's doing. It's gonna blow your mind. Thank you.
My friend Baru.
Hello, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
So he's taking videos if you're okay with this. While doing YouTube after everything, you know. Wait.
Can you remind me your name? I didn't hear.
Ashutosh.
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 Ashutosh. Nice to meet you.
Call me Ashu.
Ashu, oh, thank you. It's easy. Ashu.
Once you come at market.
We'll see if you deserve it, right? This is your own?
No, it's not.
Okay.
But we doing this is my guru teacher.
Oh, okay, so that's like the workshop and.
We will show
Oh.
this class.
Oh, okay, that's good. Hi, sir.
Thank you.
Felix. Nice to meet you.
My name is Mohan.
Mohan. Okay, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Sorry for
Hello.
being very
Nice to
late.
meet you.
No, it's
But big day in Agra, running.
running.
So here, I have only one.
Sit.
Yeah. Hello.
If you want,
Huh?
come this side.
Yeah, of course. This where you. Hi guys.
Is my
Also family.
yeah, also family.
Hi, Felix. Nice to meet you.
नाम बताओ अपना.
Hi, Felix. Nice to meet you.
Come this side.
So to whom I give this to you in this case. I have only one box.
Sit.
I will take my bike.
My
because
boss
I'm-
only this.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Nice to
My
meet
boss.
you. What's your name?
All team boss.
Yes, Marwa.
Viyash. Nice to meet you. Maru.
So,
Hello.
Marwa is something like this. It's
Hello.
all paper cutting.
I have
It's all cut by hand with scissors. Another piece like that.
So I have seen on videos, I have seen the picture, but
Yeah,
it's
sure.
very nice.
I am just show you how to cut. So the paper. So this is my scissor. And I am a 6th generation artist at this work.
Okay. Never seen this. Like that's very
It's
unique.
like a rare and dying art form, sir.
So I'm very interested in this.
Which?
All the arts that are. I will show you. I have like I'm working with almost 40 artisans in India.
40 artists.
Yeah.
Wow.
So everywhere in India, mindset and everything of the luxury. But I have been living 7 years in India, in Chennai. I came for a project for automobile. I have other business consulting, this kind of thing. And then I saw many artisans. I was like, I like what they are doing, but the value is not there. Like see people, they are like in the home, they don't have much money, don't have much, and the young generation doesn't want to continue. So I was like, that's so bad because in France, art is valued through luxury.
Yes, sure.
So people are doing the leather work. If there is no Louis Vuitton, there is no workshop anymore.
Yeah. And second cut by scissor, but sometime design in my mind and I'm cut. Cut. It's like a friendly cut.
Oh. Wow. Very good.
So I have a lot of design something like this. Lot of design in my mind. But
Is it good?
scissors. Omkar, वो लेके आ.
Who is the master? No, he's
Yeah,
master. or your
he
master?
is my master. He is my teacher. दूध लेके आ. वो ओमकार और टेबल पे लगा दो सर.
Wow.
Here.
You see?
I'm looking at the technique.
Sign of good luck. With two
Break this
Wow.
This
See?
bird is
this bird is breed named Chiliya Chirota.
okay. So for good luck and for
Yeah.
Yes, Chiliya Chirota.
so that's very good for us. Well, lucky.
Wow.
That's something. Huh?
That's
And
beautiful.
you see, you have the technique is very very fine. Like you have very good eyes.
See, it's my geometrical work. Look at the circle of the Charlie. It's collected by Fatehpur Sikri. It's called a Banduru Jali. This one is a star line. It's all handmade.
And okay, and you are using
We
different
also-
type of papers, right?
Rice paper,
What is the best paper for you? Like a thick one or?
8200 GSM.
Okay.
See,
Wow.
like this. It's my masterpiece.
Look at this.
It's incredible.
Baby Krishna.
And the good thing is when you see you go with the light behind.
I put behind any dark color paper yourself. Yeah, to be used for something like a light, like a shadow,
Yeah.
light box, lamps. A baby Krishna drinking milk cow.
Oh. This is a sketch or from your mind?
No. First I draw with
Yeah,
the
because otherwise you have a lot in your mind otherwise.
something like this
Can you
kind
see
of
that?
trees. And बिंदी का वो लेके आओ ना, बिंदी की कहानी एक आठ पीस हो बिंदी
Wow.
ऐसे
And
नहीं,
it's
देख फाइल में
ve-
फाइल में ही होगा ये।
And what I like it's very fragile. It's very fragile, so you need to take care of it.
So for
Imagine having this with like a good painting from Udaipur.
I have 12 design of something like this chart. 12 designs I have.
So what is the most minute thing that you have done? Like, have you ever
Actually-
done miniature?
Miniature आनंद बिंदी लिखना। बिंदी का।
And this is already very very small.
Very-
Like this guy. Oh.
Wow.
When we goes a miniature work,
Monkey.
so everything is
Oh,
sold.
look at the monkey in the trees.
Yeah.
And the
Monkey,
parrots.
parrots, birds.
Yeah.
It's a perfect banyan tree. See this one, it's a kadam tree.
I'm scared because it's so fragile. I'm very scared. Wow. So
See?
this you said sixth generation.
Yeah.
And when did it start? What is the story of this
Actually,
art?
story of it's a very long time period. Actually, do you know Lord Krishna?
Yeah, and there's the temple
Krishna,
there.
yeah. Lord Krishna and Shri Radha.
Okay.
It's a second eye of. It's called a Sanjhi.
Yeah.
Sanjhi.
Yeah.
One word is evening.
Yeah.
Means Sanj.
Yeah.
So when Krishna go around the temple with cows and come back to home, so Radha making a Sanji for Krishna, and then Krishna make a Sanji for Radha. So that's a
The
very
story of it, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So it means that at this time they were also doing the craft and they were also doing this. Okay.
actually it's a part of Sanji. It's called a Sanji ka khaka ya sacha. It's not a stencil.
Okay.
You don't call it a stencil. Stencil is look like a print, but you cannot use to print.
तू को एक बिंदी बना के दिखा दो अच्छा
Because the scissor is at the top. Both of the scissors are at the top.
बना के दिखा दो मैं बनाऊंगी तो
Oh, I told you, it's gonna blow your mind. Have you ever seen something like that? Me, first time I see an art cutting very small pieces of paper and have this result. This is the first time I see something like this. And wow.
Me too, you know.
You never seen something like this.
Never seen something like this. And I have seen many arts. This is very unique.
So now the challenge for us is gonna be to have a miniature, something very small, so we can put it on the watch. I think we can do it, but I think it's gonna be
Interesting.
gonna
I
be.
think there are challenges to apply to the watch because we need to paste it. For watches, we'll need to paste it on something.
If you
That will
want
be the
to,
challenge.
you can paste it.
Yeah, that will be
But
challenge.
we use a something sandwich mirror.
Yeah.
We use a sandwich mirror. So both sides is visible. You can use this
Glass.
side also.
And so anyway, in the watch there will always be one thing that is closed.
One
but
thing.
instead of pasting it, we could also apply one glass at
One
the
glass.
top. The thing that I see is that when you are doing the cutting, there is some volume at the bottom. So if we press it on something, it might come out. But this is something that we need to look after.
Marble.
Yeah. So what is difficult in this is
It's a flower.
thickness. This is very difficult. One
We,
year to do this.
You can paste a paper something like
Yeah.
behind the,
Yeah.
and then we goes with that.
So we say many. I think your arts can be on itself. It can be a good one if you have something behind painting or even black or something.
Yeah. Put behind
Because
the
there is
penny
volume.
after.
Yeah.
Yeah, to be,
ये डिजाइन सेम कटिंग हो सकती
we also make something this kind of flower. Yeah,
Okay.
anything.
What is important me all the time when I see artisan, I want you to do the thing that you like to do. But the only thing that I ask is miniature, thickness, detail. So just to extend and to go to the most detail that you can do. So this you will know. I mean that's a big one, but oh my god. Look at this. And this is good too. And this is the model.
I will make for you.
Huh?
Something like this.
So why I always challenge on the
Yeah,
small?
we also.
I challenge on the small because if you can do small, you can do same detail on this, and this is becoming a masterpiece. Look at this. On this one.
नो बना लो
This is the model I pour. So what? This is what is in his mind. But if you have something else, that's perfect.
रियली इज वेरी गुड
Me, I don't give you design. I just ask you good detail good quality. That's all. The design you do, but I just want good detail. Otherwise, I can't show. The problem is lacquer. So now I'm giving a new lacquer because he's doing lacquer with the paint. Normally you do with a gun and no dust.
No dust.
But this is masterpiece.
And
Oh, thank you.
good piece for you. Give me some time.
Of course, you have time. So you have bidri.
Bidri. Oh, we also have teva. Yeah.
I have teva. The teva is difficult. I have look at this.
Go, go, go,
This is a
go,
sketch,
go, go,
not
Sanjhi.
a drawing. So this
अब सांझी का भी बनेगा
is like 8 months before they do very rough. Now they are doing better, and next time they will do.
Mathura famous almond milk.
Oh,
And
thank you. This is from here.
Yeah,
From
it's
Mathura.
from here, Mathura. It's a very famous. You can see this.
Thank you very much.
And you can eat samosa, dhokla also.
And that's nice. Thank you very much.
Only 1 year. So only 1 year and half time, like maybe 5 months in India.
Also, but it's not a supporting a artist. It's supporting a geometrical and
On gold.
no, it's a black paper
Okay.
behind a yellow light. It's a light. And one of this, my father got it a national award for this painting.
Very nice.
Oh, that was really mind blowing. And now we're gonna see the driver. I don't know where is he. Yeah, he's here. Okay, it was nice to show you this new art. And now we are going to the airport. And before going to the airport, we just go to a hotel to sleep, and then we're gonna leave this city. We're gonna leave and we're gonna head where the north. Oh my god, I mix French and English, Italian, oh my god. Sorry for my English. We're gonna go to the north, so see you on the next video. Bye bye.
जाइए ना, गेट खुला है, इसी का बाहर आ जाइए। हाँ तो ठीक है, आ जाओ।